Well, hey guys, this is what it looks like outside of my house, and I try to I try to get some of the snow off of my back porch, but as you can see, it's a lot. I think this is more than a foot of snow, and it is still coming. Looks like somebody in my neighborhood may be trying to move their car. I don't see how that's gonna happen, but as you can see, we are buried under some serious snow here. OMG. I mean, and I got neighbors across from me trying to dig themselves out. Man, this is serious. So I'm going to get back in the house, and then later on, as you can see, I started to dig, and I'm going to come out here a little later on and continue to dig. But this is my neighborhood. I don't know. We are going to be snowed in for a long time. All right. Have a blessed, safe, and enjoy your snow day.